In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack Workspace member. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First off, let's get into your Slack application. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, the steps are pretty much the same. Start by opening Slack and looking for your workspace name. You'll find it in the top left corner of the screen. That's your starting point. Click on your workspace name and a menu will open up. Now, once you've opened that menu, it's time to access the workspace settings. You'll see an option labeled Tools and Settings. Hover your mouse over that, and from the side menu that appears, look for the option under the Administration section labeled Manage Members. Go ahead and click on that. After you've clicked Manage Members, you'll be presented with a list of everyone in your workspace. This is where you can see all of your current members. Now, if you have a large team, you might need to scroll through this list a bit to find the person you want to remove. So take your time and locate the member whose account you wish to delete. Once you spot their name, you're almost there. Next to their name, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots. This is the More Options icon. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to find and select the option that says Remove them from the workspace. This step is crucial because it's the action that will initiate the removal process. After you click that option, Slack will prompt you with a confirmation message. This is your final step to ensure you really want to remove this member. So take a moment to think about it. Are you sure you want to proceed? If you are, go ahead and confirm your choice. And just like that, the member will be removed from your Slack workspace. It's important to remember that when you delete a member, they will lose access to all the channels and messages within that workspace. If this is a team member that may need access in the future, you might consider simply deactivating their account instead. That way, you can still keep their messages and files, just in case. So, to recap the steps we took today. We accessed the workspace settings by clicking on the workspace name. We managed the members through the Tools and Settings menu. We located the member we wanted to remove. And finally, we confirmed the removal of their account. And there you have it. You now know how to delete a member from your Slack workspace. It's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it, and you can always refer back to this video if you need a refresher later on. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.